Hello viewers, this is Jubilee Saikia and you're watching My News Any. The Indian Meteorological Department of Guwahati has issued a short-term warning accompanied by thundering, including lightning gusty winds over parts of Kamrup Metro and Kamrup, including Guwahati city. Here we are bringing you the full details. IMD warns of thunderstorm in Kamrup districts. Lightning gusty winds expected within 3 hours. ASDMA urges residents to stay indoors and safe. Avoid open fields, trees and water bodies. Emergency services are on alert for response. Yes viewers, the Indian Meteorological Department of Guwahati has issued a short-term weather alert forecasting thunderstorm accompanied by lightning, gusty winds and light to moderate rain over parts of Kamrup and Kamrup metropolitan districts including Guwahati city. According to the IMD, weather activity is likely to occur in isolated places within the next 3 hours of issuance. The alert has been disseminated in the public interest by the Assam State Disaster Management Authority, which has urged residents in the affected areas to take necessary precautions and remain indoors wherever possible. ASDMA has further advised people to stay away from open fields, trees and water bodies and to avoid using electrical appliances during the storm. Citizens have also been requested not to take shelter under isolated trees and to avoid traveling during heavy lightning or rainfall unless absolutely necessary. This alert comes amid fluctuating weather patterns over the past days in Assam, which have brought intermittent rainfall and cloudy skies to several districts. Moreover, authorities are monitoring the situation closely and emergency services are on standby to respond to another untoward incidents. Yes viewers, the Indian Meteorological Department in Guwahati has just released an urgent short-term weather advisory predicting an imminent thunderstorm for parts of Kamrup and Kamrup Metropolitan District encompassing Guwahati city itself. The forecast indicates that residents can expect lightning, strong gusty winds and light to moderate rainfall within the next 3 hours. The IMD's alert specifies that these weather events are highly probable in isolated locations within the aforementioned districts during this immediate time frame. In response to this forecast, the Assam State Disaster Management Authority has taken the proactive steps to dismantling this alert widely in the public interest. ASDMA is strongly urging all individuals residing in the potentially affected areas to exercise utmost caution and to remain indoors as much as possible during this period of heightened weather activity. ASDMA has issued specific guidelines for public safety, advising people to steer clear of open fields, trees and any water bodies. Furthermore, they are cautioning against the use of electrical appliances during the anticipated storm. The advisory also includes a request for citizens to refrain from seeking shelter beneath isolated trees and to avoid any non-essential travel during periods of heavy lightning or rainfall. This weather alert arrives against a backdrop of variable weather conditions experienced across Assam in recent days, characterized by sporadic rainfall and overcast skies in numerous districts. State authorities are maintaining a vigilant watch on the unfolding weather situation and all emergency response teams are reportedly on high alert, ready to mobilize should any adverse incidents occur as a result of the predicted storm. That's all for now. For further updates, keep watching My News Any.